Okay, more backspin, position for the red. Okay, again. More follow through, a little bit longer backswing and more follow through, okay? Try to feel this shot. Way better. As you can see, cue ball reacts a little bit better, but still not enough speed. More follow through and more speed, okay? Way better. More backspin. Too much backspin. Something in between, okay? Like a stun shot. And the good end result. Well done.